Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to unbox the Tecno Spark 7 Pro, and this is a new budget phone from Tecno which is costing around 21,000 PK on Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we have 48 megapixel main camera, and also this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor. So in this video we're gonna unbox the Tecno Spark 7 Pro, and now let's see that what is Tecno has to offer in this price range. And guys, on the back we have some more specification about the phone. And this phone has a 48 megapixel AI triple cameras on the back, and this phone also has a super night mode on the front. We also have 90 Hz refresh rate, and that's a really unique thing in this price range again. And this phone also has a MediaTek Helio G80 processor, and this phone also has a 5000 mAh of battery size, and this phone also has a Bluetooth audio share feature as well. And also guys, and the color I have is the green color, and you can see we have a 64 GB of internal storage with the 4 GB of RAM. So now let's quickly unbox the Tecno Spark 7 Pro like this. And guys, on the top we get one more mini box. Inside of this little box we get a simulation tool, and also we get a safety information as well as a warranty card. We also get a soft silicone case as you can see, and you can see it says that Dream. And guys, here is the device. So now let's start the phone from this box like this. And guys, again and these are the main highlighting feature about the Tecno Spark 7 Pro. Now let's out the phone from this plastic like this, and here is the Tecno Spark 7 Pro, and you can see it looks really beautiful in this green color, but I don't like this camera bump. But on the back we have a triple cameras. We have a 48 megapixel main camera, and this phone also has a fingerprint scanner on the back, and the location it is also really good on this phone. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. And now let's see what else we get other than the phone. And guys, on the first thing we get a charger, and you can see, and this is a 5 volt with a 2 ampere, and this is a 10 watt normal adapter is that you are getting with the Tecno Spark 7 Pro. And also we get a cable, and this is a micro USB cable, no USB type C with the Tecno Spark 7 Pro, and that's really disappointing. We get a micro USB cable. And guys, we also get a headphones with the Tecno Spark 7 Pro, and that's really unique thing as well. This phone also has a headphone jack. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Tecno Spark 7 Pro. And guys, on the front we have a 6.4 inch 720p IPS LCD display. We have 90 Hz refresh rate on this phone, and that's a really unique thing. And guys, on the front we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and the punch hole, I would say it is really big on this phone, but nice to see that we get a punch hole on this phone. So guys, now let's quickly show the physical overview of this phone. And guys, on the bottom we have a speaker, micro USB port, headphone jack, main microphone. On the left hand side we have a SIM tray. You can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time, and this is a full flush SIM slot. And guys, on the top we have nothing. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a power on button. On the back we get a triple cameras. As you can see, we have a 48 megapixel main camera, and guys, we also have a quad LED flash on this phone. This phone also has a fingerprint scanner on the back, as you can see. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, you can see that here is the first boot of the Tecno Spark 7 Pro, as you can see. And guys, here is the software of the Tecno Spark 7 Pro. So first let me go to the settings, and now let's go my phone, and you can see this phone, it is running on Android 11. So that's a really good thing. We have Android 11, and also this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor, which is the best chipset in this price range. And guys, you can see that we have 64 GB of internal storage out of about 52 GB it is available for you guys. And also we have 4 GB of RAM, and this phone also has a fingerprint scanner on the back. So now let's see the speed, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed is also really fast on this phone. We also have game mode as well as dark mode, all those things it is available on this phone. So guys, now let's look at the camera. And guys, here is the camera UI of the Tecno Spark 7 Pro. And guys, here is the normal mode. We also have video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot 1440p at 30 fps. And guys, we also have this short video feature as well, and we also have beauty mode as well as a portrait mode. We also have super night mode, and you can see that's a really good thing as well. And guys, on the back we does not have any ultra wide as well as any macro. And guys, we also have a 48 megapixel mode on this phone as well, in which you can take full 48 megapixel shots. So guys, now let's see the front camera. And guys, on the front we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see here is the video mode with the front camera. And guys, on the front we also have a bokeh effect as well, so that's a really good thing as well. And you can see tracking my eye. We also have this mode which is called as video beauty mode. And guys, on the front we also have flash, so that's a really good thing as well. And the front camera also shoot 1440p at 30 fps. And guys, on the front we also have portrait mode. On the front we also have a night mode, so that's a really good thing as well. Overall, I have to say regarding the Tecno Spark 7 Pro, and you can see the cameras also really good on this phone, as well as the performance on this phone, because the MediaTek Helio G80, it is a really powerful chipset in this price range. And also this phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size, and the battery life should be really good on this phone. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Tecno Spark 7 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.